everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skinner from the 6th to the 10th of September 2021 on Monday. One life is saved but another is lost. Neo's chicken come home to roost on Tuesday. After reckless behavior by their son, a family tried to do some damage control. The walls are closing in on Neo and anyone around him on Wednesday. Didle managed to hide the truth, but she won't be able to keep it bottled up forever. One brother uphold the law while his family prepare to further deceive it. A family find themselves in a desperate need of a place to sleep on Thursday. Lerumo's hunt for a killer on wheels lead to an unexpected discovery. Dindle's world start coming apart when she learns of Q's intentions. Lerumo finds himself in hospital and faces a dire diagnosis on Friday. A family is split as it scrambles to hide things from one of its own, as well as the police. A bereaved woman is determined to find justice. A son tries to convince his father that life is worth living. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.